serpents lie. Ritual abuse and mind control. Darkness seeks to claim their souls. A relentless pursuit of justice to bring hope to those unheard who've lost all hope. They cloak their sins in holy guise, opposing sheep's troll, them spreading lies within hollowed walls. Corruption breeds, exploiting innocence to serve their needs. We are the fire, igniting the night, standing together, ready to fight. No more silence, no more fear. Our voice is rising, crystal clear. We the people, united and strong, demanding justice, righting the wrong. For the voiceless, we take a stand, fighting for freedom across the land. We won't be silent. We are a voice for the voiceless. We won't back down. We are standing and fighting now. Ritual abuse in the dead of night. Trafficking hidden from plain sight. Innocence stolen behind closed doors. They plot and scheme, turning children's dreams into a war.